What's going on, ladies and gents, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, and in today's video we're going to take a look at BSB rider and Isle of Man TT legend Peter Hickman. So sit back, relax, grab a cup of tea and let us get into the video. So ladies and gents, how are we all doing? I hope you're doing well and I hope you're enjoying my 30-day challenge. In today's video, we're going to be taking a closer look at Peter Hickman, BSB rider and Isle of Man TT legend. Peter John Hickman was born on the 8th of April 1987 in Burton-on-Trent. Peter began racing mini motos before competing at club level. It just goes to show that the apple doesn't fall far from the tree, as Peter Hickman's father, Dave Hickman, was also a Manx Grand Prix winner and also entered 2 Isle of Man TTs himself. Hickey is currently the record holder for the fastest newcomer at the Isle of Man TT, with an average lap speed of 129.104 miles an hour, with an average race speed of 125.38 miles an hour. Hickman clinched his first victory at the Isle of Man TT in a close race between Michael Dunlop and Dean Harrison, breaking Ian Hutchinson's lap record twice in the 2018 Superstock event. He won the senior TT, raising the absolute lap record to 135.452 miles an hour on the final lap. Peter Hickman is also no stranger to the Macau GP, winning it no less than 3 times in 2015, 2016 and again in 2018, all on BMW S1000RRs. A little known fact about Peter Hickman is that he actually entered the British Superbike Championship paddock back in 2004 with various victories in the National Superstock 1000 Championship. Hickman's first BSB race win came at Cadwell Park in 2014 on board a Kawasaki, which he rode for 1 round before joining the RAF Reserves Honda team for the rest of the season after the round at Knock Hill, and in 2020 competed in British Superbikes and international road racing on a BMW S1000RR. It's hard to imagine that Peter Hickman has been around for so long. He's been in the BSB paddock since 2004, then again in 2006 to 2007, and then again from 2009 to the present day. For this season, 2021, Peter Hickman is currently riding for the FHO racing team, which are sporting the brand new 2021 BMW M1000RRs. Since 2006, Hickey has amassed 372 BSB races, with 18 podiums and 4 race wins. To date, Hickey's highest finish has been 4th overall in the British Superbike standings. At the time of recording this video, Peter Hickman is currently sitting in 5th place in the British Superbike standings with 200 points, just behind Tommy Bridewell with 205 points and just ahead of Danny Buchan in 6th with 165 points. With there being 5 rounds left of the British Superbike season, there's everything to play for. I hope Peter Hickman can finish better than 4th like he has done in previous seasons, and in all honesty, I do really think he does deserve to win a Superbike title in some point in the near future, because he's a really nice guy. I've had the pleasure of meeting him and having a chat with him a few years ago at a bike show, and I just think he's just a genuinely nice guy and an absolute bloody legend. So there you go, ladies and gents. That's a brief overview of the man, the myth, the legend that is Peter Hickman. Will he do well in BSB? Will he not? We can only wait and see, but I personally hope that he does very well. And as always, ladies and gents, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for listening to the video. If you wouldn't mind just smashing that like button, it does help me with the YouTube algorithm. But for now, this is me, Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, saying look after yourselves, look after each other, stay safe on the road, and as always, adios!